Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Fort Worth, Texas. We're about to do our final inspection of the basement that we built. So far, it's taken us somewhere in the area of about 9 months to get to the stage where they're now putting in the chill system. Let's go down and check it out. Okay, looking at the bar. And storage area and the wine room. And this is the extra room that we're looking at, which is going to be a sitting area. We'll go inside, back it up so you get a better view. And our interior drain system. And we are about to enter the area that's a hidden access area. Okay, now that we've opened up the area for the hidden wall, we're going to enter the maintenance section. As you can see, big difference. And we have a hidden outside trap door. And our dehumidifier and refrigeration system is working 100%. We put in a double pump and backup system here and dehumidifier. So it looks like it's passing our final inspection really well. So now we need to check one extra hose and we're done. Hope you like our view. This is only the second basement that we've ever shown totally finished. Customer usually doesn't want us to show them on camera, so we don't, but this customer was pretty cool about it. So, beautiful area is finished, so let's call it a day.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.